What's up, boys? Say the fuck down! I'm your host, Santa Pwine. It's motherfucking Pwine time. Pwine hour here at Say There Productions. What's up, boys? Another day, another false flag. What I tell you, boys, over and over, and here we are again, more false flags. I wake up, immediately false flags. Unfortunately, with this plasma beam mirror, I can't twist enough to stop them. I don't get enough data to be able to stop these things before they happen, unfortunately. So it's like torture for me. I'm trying to figure this thing out. It's too complex. This meal was too complex, boys. But we got false flags today. We had a drive-by pontoon boat shooting, boys, in Southport, South Carolina. The fuck, boys? Motherfuckers are doing mass shootings from drive-by boats, from drive-by boating, boys, drive-by shooting, sail-by shooting, I guess, boys. And this guy's a former Marine, of course, former military, former guy's a conspiracy tard. Like I said in his old videos, these motherfuckers like Alex Jonestown keep producing these people, boys. And they don't believe houses are false flag. This guy's just crazy. Well, these guys, they twiggle these patsy guys. They twiggle them with code words, boys, with secret messages, with subliminal messages, boys. They ain't paid. They get acute. They see a video, they turn their phones on, boys, and they get a secret message in a YouTube ad or some shit like that, boys, and then they go out and they start killing, because they're already brainwashed. Alright, so we had that, and then we had somebody crash a vehicle into a church, looks like a Mormon church up in Michigan, boys. Mormon church somebody drives in there, sets it on fire, and then starts shooting, boys. And it looks like the church is burned down, and they were using drones, apparently. And this guy attacked a Mormon church. You know, I think it looks like some kind of retaliation against that Charlie Kirk shooter, because he was Mormon. The plot thickens, boys. And then, of course, now we got Trump escalating, sending troops to Portland so we can go agitate and do more false flags there. So they can blame Antifa, boys. Antifa just means anybody who's white and opposes Trump. It's obvious, boys. But Santa Pwine here just checking in on this Sunday, I'm trying to make more videos. I'm trying to get out more. I'm trying to get out and get the word out and try to stop these things, boys, because the next thing that they want to happen is they want a massive false flag, Reichstag. They want a 9/11 style false flag so they can go to full-blown war, and they want to try to whip the American people up into a war fever, because they want Americans to be war fever they want Americans to get the war fever so they'll shut up and just do whatever Trump wants. And we ain't having it here, Say There Productions, boys. You hear me, son? Alright? Pwine!